So here's a quick overview of my stock market portfolio. So if we look at my TFSA, I have a balance in Canadian total balance of 6,700. I'm pretty sure it was at 7,000 not long ago. So it dropped, of course, and the main reason is definitely Ford. So yeah, Ford took a dive this week, closing today at 9.25, but it reached 9.03 almost. So obviously I'm down 15% on the stock. I'm down 27% on the option. I've got Facebook that dropped a little bit today because they were hacked by 50 million accounts were hacked. The news came out today, so it dropped around 3% today. So I would expect news like that to make it drop much more, but it only dropped 3%, so that's good. So I'm down 2% on Facebook. The only profitable position I have right now is AT&T. I'm up close to 5% on AT&T. If you look at my RSP, I've got Alibaba that I'm at par, bought at 164, closed at 164. Got Dividend 15 Split Corp 2 that I'm down 19%, but might buy some more if it reaches 5.25. Got Ford again. I got the stock here that I'm down 7% on, and the option I'm down 51%. GM I bought this week. I bought it at 34, closed today at 33.67. So I'm happy with this purchase because it pays good dividends. It's at a 52-week low. It's on Warren Buffett's list. So excited to see when it's going to go up and at what price. Probably sell it at around 40. L Brands is creeping up, closing today at 30.3. I'm down 3% on that one. Vodafone dropped a bit today. Everything dropped today, actually. There's a lot of buying opportunities today. So Vodafone closed at 21.7. I'm down 5%. So as you can see, everything is red in my RSP, and the only green thing in my TFSA is AT&T. If you go to my Investors Edge account, I contributed $2,500 to my RESP account, so my total portfolio increased, but not necessarily in value, in capital gain, sorry. So I bought today some Barclays at bought it at $9. Interesting, CIBC Investors Edge was down today, so I had to call in to make a trade. Usually when you call in, the fees are more expensive. The fees are higher, but they let us trade at $7, of course, today because the system is down, so it's not our fault. So we were able to call in and still only pay $7 per trade. And also the conversion rate was pretty good. I was able to convert at 1.2948, while the spot price for the US Canadian was 1.29 something. So it's like they didn't take any fees for converting, so that's very good. And that's what allowed me to buy Barclays at $9. So Barclays obviously is a big bank, one of the biggest banks in the UK, if not the biggest. It pays dividends close to 5% per year. It's the biggest sponsor of the English Premier League, and it's at a 52-week low, so that's what made me buy it. Still got some available cash. I might buy some more Enbridge or even Dollarama. Dollarama dropped below 41, so it's the price I wanted to buy it at, but I didn't place the trade, unfortunately, because I placed an order instead to buy some FTN, Financial Split Corp, because of the dividends, but that didn't go through, so I might buy some. I'll decide over the weekend which one to buy. There's just so many buying opportunities, but just not enough money. So Tesla today dropped hard because of news coming out that the SEC is filing a lawsuit against Elon Musk, or is being sued by, or Elon Musk is being sued by the SEC. So obviously investors are worried. So this makes sense because everyone wonders, of course, what's going to happen if he has to step down. Will Tesla still be the same Tesla? Is it going to be the same thing like when Steve Jobs left Apple? Apple was still able to run the company the same way Steve Jobs was running it, and they were able to grow the company. Now, are the executives and the directors in Tesla, if Elon Musk, will they be able to run the company the same way he was running it? Will they be able to produce and manufacture the same quality product? So So that causes concerns. And for that reason, I'm not too sure if I should buy in. I definitely want to buy it because it's at a good price right now. So I'm looking at it, but I'm not sure yet if I'm going to buy it at the, and if I will buy it, it'll be maybe even at this price I could buy it. Between $250 and this price, I would definitely buy it. But I'm going to wait a bit and see what happens, because I'm not sure if he has to leave, how it's going to affect the stock. And also, I don't even know how serious this is. The fact that the SEC is suing Elon Musk. Maybe it's just, they're just probably sending a message. So who knows how serious it is. But why take the risk when there's so many other opportunities, even though this is a very good one. So Honda Motor Company is also another stock I want to buy. I just need to find the liquidity, and I'm definitely going to buy the stock at around this price. Perfect for me. Pays good dividends, financials are great. Really, it's a no-risk stock. Want to buy some orange stock also. This is a competitor of Vodafone, international telecom company. Good financials also. 1 year target price here according to Yahoo Finance is 21, so that's very nice. High dividends, so looks good for this one too. I just need more liquidity, and I'd probably buy it at this price as well. And Dollarama is another stock I want to buy. Dropped pretty hard in the past month or so. Pays very little dividends, but it's got good potential upside. Here, and there's an article here, should you buy Dollarama on the dip? Here, let's read it, by Motley Fool. So it had a disappointing earnings result, that's why it dropped. So whenever it drops because of earnings, for me, that's an opportunity. There are still many opportunities for the company to grow. The sales for the quarter were still up 7%. So sales were higher, but just profits were lower. I think I had seen in my last video, their profit margin was 15%. So this is really, there's nothing to worry about with this company. So it's just another silly earnings call that made the stock drop. So definitely a good opportunity for me. So I just need to find the liquidity to buy all of these stocks that I want to buy. Ford also would be a good opportunity if it drops below 9. All right, so this was just a quick overview of my portfolio, stock market portfolio, and the stocks that I'm watching. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Remember, if you can open an account with Questrade, use my referral code in the description below the video, so you can get between $25 and $250 depending on your initial deposit. All right, thanks for watching.